Hey guys, Vic here. In this video, I'm going to go over how sales reps can create draft orders and orders for their customers. So basically, once you turn on this feature on the rep back office, once the rep log in on the front end, they'll see the create order tab. In this, we give a form where reps can select the product, they can select the customer that's they can only see customers that are assigned to them. They can select that customer. We'll fetch that customer's information, like the address, email, all those things, and then they can also add new addresses if they don't want to use an existing one. They can add the company name, like a few other details. They can add notes. Then they can select the products that they want to. So these two, maybe I want to select some more. So they can essentially select the products that they want to create an order for. And at this point, if the reps click create order, this creates an order in the system. And if they click create invoice, this creates a draft order in the system. And then we'll use the Shopify templates to send the draft order notification to the customer, which will have the checkout link. So couple other things over here. Sometimes our clients, they just want to create the draft order in the system, and then the admin can go and modify the things. They don't want an email to go out. So just turn off this, and then sure, we will not trigger the Shopify emails that go to the customer whenever a draft order is created from the back office by the rep. And we also have auto tagging. So if the rep wants to send a draft order to a new customer, so it doesn't exist in the system yet, you just put their email, send this draft order. Once the customer gets this email notification, makes the payment, at that point we can tag the customer directly to this rep. So this rep can now see this customer in the future, and the tag customer happens automatically. Some of our customers tell us that they don't want to create orders. They only want draft orders. So just turn this off. The reps can't create the order. So if you turn this on, we do have the payment type. You can either do payment pending or payment paid. A lot of time they are collecting payments. Do payment paid at that time. A lot of times an order gets created, but it's like net 30, net 45. So even though the order is created, the admin is going to then collect the payment later. So then in that case, we'll create an order in the payment pending status. And then the last feature, again, this is an advanced plan, enterprise plan feature. This is where you want to create orders at a special price. So you will upload a CSV, we'll have the CSV format. You'll upload the CSV, and this is essentially wholesale prices. So a lot of our customers tell us that when our reps are creating orders for customers, we want the wholesale pricing getting applied automatically. So we have the standard format where you can upload a CSV and have the prices there. And at that point, when the rep creates an order, it'll get created with those prices. Cool. So this is about the create order feature and the order form. As you can see, we also have inventory, so the reps know what the inventory count. Cool. Thank you.